everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I am home. I'm still kind of readjusting after being away for 6 months, but it's all good. Today is the first day of the Lunar New Year, so to celebrate that in the Year of the Tiger, we're going to be making Chinese New Year cake, or Niángāo. There's not a lot of ingredients in this cake, but it's really cool and interesting to see how those ingredients creates this cake for this festive celebration. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. So let's kick off the Lunar New Year, put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make the Niángāo, you'll need 1 pound bag of glutinous rice flour. I'm using the Erawan Brand. Make sure to look for the green bag if you are using this brand. 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 1/4 cups of filtered water, and 2 tablespoons of oil of your choosing. I'm using vegetable oil. To get started, boil the water and brown sugar in a saucepan. Once the sugar is dissolved, let it cool to about room temperature. In a separate bowl, add in the glutinous rice flour, oil, and the sugar mixture. Mix until well combined, then pour it into a greased pan of your choosing. Cover the pan with foil, then steam the batter for 45 to 50 minutes. If you don't have a traditional steamer, place some pieces of foil into the pot and add water to about a 1/2 inch deep. And place the pan in the pot over low heat. To check if your New Year cake is ready, place a toothpick in the center. If the color is not opaque, it is ready. Let your cake cool for about 2 hours, then remove it from the pan of your choosing. Store the cake in an airtight container in the fridge for about 3 hours or overnight. Place your Niángāo onto a plate and add a date to the center. To serve the Niángāo, slice it into pieces and lightly pan fry on medium-low heat for about 3 minutes on each side or until they are soft and gooey. If you would like a more savory taste to them, coat the slices with an egg as you would when making French toast. And now you're ready to celebrate the new year. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a fun experience making Niángāo. I've never made a Chinese dessert delicacy before, and I'm so glad I was able to make this to kick off the Lunar New Year. If you recreate the New Year cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your Niángāo and have a great year of the tiger. 再见!